Bangladesh! 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 Bangladesh!
The most important thing is Bangladesh has achieved its second independence now. We achieved our independence first in 1971, but autocrat Sheikh Hasina was ruling the country forcibly. Today she has fled away to India and she has resigned. The military has taken over the power, and there will be a neutral administration. There will be free and fair elections in the country, and we will have democratic government. That's why we are victorious today.
Thank you. We hope that democracy will come back in our country and human rights will prevail again. And lots of students killed within last month. And it's called July massacre or genocide. So we want justice, we want peace in Bangladesh, and we are working on it.